Hello friends, my name is Rajesh Bhardwaj. Today I will tell you how you can make your notes in LiquidText software through Dragon software and make your work easy. Open LiquidText PDF. This is my file where I have to work. I just open it. I have to create one box in that particular key and just on my Dragon microphone that the appellant has filed accompanying appeal before this honorable court and against the judgment and order of conviction dated 3.04.2019. So you must have seen how quickly I create a dialog box inside the LiquidText software and prepared my notes by seeing the dictation in it through voice command. It is so easy. Thank you so much.